Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to use Tinkercad correctly and also how to make holes in some things and many more stuff. Okay, let's go. Let's get started. I have a lot of projects. All projects 4 years ago and some new ones. We're gonna press on this button create. You can create circuit like Arduino. I have also many projects in it. Or you can create code. So we have like our workspace. I have this is my basic shapes. You can go to your favorites. These are my favorites. I have lots of them. You can you can make some of your ones, but that's in another video, not in this one. So firstly we're gonna go to the basic shapes. I'm gonna show you how to make a hole. Like you have a table and in the middle you want a hole. So you can take any shape. Like you can take this and here, and when you press on it, here you can press on the hole, this thing. You can also have these two ones, but I'll be showing you the best way. So we're gonna put it down. I'm gonna make it longer. And now we're gonna I'm gonna take all of them and you press on the control. I'm gonna press on Control G, but it will group them together. So here you have a hole. That's how you make a hole. Basic stuff. I'm gonna take another one. How do you make it bigger or something like that? See, you have this little dots. You can move it. You can make it bigger. You can make it taller. You can make it smaller. You can make it however you want to. You can rotate it. You can rotate it like this, or you can rotate it like this. It depends how you wanna do it. And this little triangle, circle triangle, you press on it and that's how you can put it in the air. If you wanna do 3D printing with it, you press on this. If you want to have it a certain size of it, you just press on this and then you press on this. It says in millimeters. I think you can change this in settings, but I have it in millimeters. So if you want it to be 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So you put 10 millimeters, that's 1 centimeter. That's how you can create 3D printing stuff, like phone holder and many other stuff. You can also make different shapes. You can just take this, drag it, and you have your workspace where you can just take your mouse or whatever you're using and you can just draw anything. I'm gonna draw a smiley face. Done. And I have it here. You can make it you can make whatever shape you want to if it's not here. You can make it as tall as you want to. You can make it as small, as big if you want to. It depends however you want to make it. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching it. Please subscribe and like this video because I work on it hard. If you want to see me doing more tutorials on different apps, just write a comment, or if you want me to show something else in Tinkercad, you also can comment this video. I read all of the comments, and bye.